When I was a little girl, I was obsessed with Wonder Woman. And looking back, I'm pretty glad. Wonder Woman was a good role model. She was strong and independent, and she kicked ass. But Hollywood today is not nearly as reflective of the kinds of role models we should be seeing as it could be. Women and minorities still have a small proportion of even the speaking roles in front of, and of course, the leadership behind the camera. It matters, because if you can't see it, you can't be it. And Hollywood, the media, and television have an outsized influence on how we see ourselves and how we see Americans around us. There are signs of hope, from Shondaland to Caitlyn Jenner. But we need to do better, and we need to do better fast. In Crossing the Thinnest Line, I paint a picture of what's going well, what's doing better, and how much more Hollywood has to do. It matters. It matters for all of us.